Today we're on the Linden Homes site at Heath Farm, Partington, Manchester, and this house has been a stock house for a couple of months, I think. In the rear garden was nicely laid, but it had some serious flooding, as you can see there. Very good. That's going to need land drainage. Obviously got clay underneath, or the ground's compacted that won't let it drain away. Pity really, because that garden's nice. It needs to be dug up. In the hallway we've got the wall above the thermostat that needs sanding and filling. In the lounge the door wasn't latching at all, so this has never been checked. Don't forget, this house has just been handed over. I'm inspecting it a day after the customer got the keys, so that's never been checked. During construction they've never cleaned underneath the base unit, so that all needs cleaning. Why would you leave that under there for a customer to find when they take the plinth off? Simple job, left too late. Same kitchen, one of the downlights just needs adjusting, but again should have been picked up pre-completion. On the landing, behind the radiator, the pipe cover, plumber set this out wrong. Pipe cover is not fastened back to the wall, so that needs sorting out. Same on the landing with the flooring. The flooring had quite a big lip on it, which was 7mm. Again, no good to lay carpets on. It was the same, it ran all the way through into the bathroom. Usual suspect. Somebody mentioned it the other day that they hadn't seen it for a while, but there we go, behind the toilet. Nobody's looking, nobody's checking. Same issue in the bathroom with the downlight. Again, these things should have been picked up pre-completion. Simple things, but they go down on a report. There's even painted that one just for good measure. I hope the sound quality has been a bit better for this video, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.